So next is one-dimensional heat equation. So heat equation also a PDE, partial differential equation. Second order, it is also a second order PDE. So heat equation means we have to write a differential equation, or we have to derive a differential equation for the flow of heat through a thin rod. Okay, so we have to write the differential equation for the heat flowing through a rod. That will be a differential equation subject to some conditions. Okay, so here consider this is the we can denote this as a thin rod of cross sectional area A. We can take this O as the origin at one end, and consider this axis. X axis is the heat flowing direction. Heat is flowing inside this or through this rod along this x axis. Okay, so we need the assumptions. We have to assume certain points. First one, heat flows from higher temperature to lower temperature. So heat flows from higher temperature to lower temperature. Second one, amount of heat required to produce a given temperature change in a body is proportional to the mass of the body and the temperature change with respect to time. So amount of heat flowing is proportional to mass of the body and temperature change with respect to time. Temperature change with respect to time is change of temperature with respect to time. This is the in this picture we have to write the equation of quantity of heat flowing. So let the quantity of heat or temperature be u of xt, where x is the distance along x-axis and t is the time. So u is the quantity of heat which is dependent variable depending on two variables, the distance x and time t. Okay, so the temperature change with respect to time is dou u by with respect to time, so dou t. Okay, so quantity of heat flowing is proportional to mass and dou u by dou t. That is the second assumption. Third one, the rate at which heat flows through an area is proportional to the area and temperature gradient normal to the surface, to the area. Again, heat flowing is proportional to the area and temperature gradient. What is temperature gradient? Temperature gradient is the rate of change of temperature with respect to distance. That is change of temperature with respect to distance. That is dou u by, distance is denoted by x, so dou u by dou x. Temperature gradient is dou u by dou x. That is u of x plus delta x t minus u of xt by delta x. This is the definition of a derivative, so dou u by dou x. Okay. So what is u of x plus delta x and u of xt? So we can look at this picture. Consider ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു എലമെൻറ്റ് ഇതിന് എടുക്കുക mn. M is the point. Assume m a point which is at a distance x from the origin. M x distance യൂണിറ്റിലും n x plus delta x ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിലും വരുന്ന ഒരു പോയിൻ്റാണ് n. So m is at a distance x from the origin and n is a point at a distance x plus delta x from the origin. So u of xt is the temperature at m and u of x plus delta xt is the temperature at n. That is, let mn be a small element of length delta x. So length of mn is delta x. And u of xt and u of x plus delta xt be the temperature at time t at m and n. That is, u of xt is the temperature at m and u of x plus delta xt is the temperature at n. Okay. So temperature gradient is dou u by dou t. Then according to Fourier's law, that is a third assumption. The rate of flow of heat, that is Q, through a homogeneous rod is directly proportional to the area at right angle to heat flow and the temperature gradient. That is, we can denote the quantity of heat be Q, and Q is proportional to area. Area is capital A, and temperature gradient is temperature change with respect to distance. That is dou u by dou x. So Q is proportional to A dou u by dou x. Okay. So Q is equal to minus K dou u by dou x. So here the proportionality can be equated using a constant. Proportionality constant is minus K. So why this minus here? Because what is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is u of x plus delta xt minus u of xt. And this u of x plus delta xt is the temperature at n. uxt is the temperature at m. And we know that from the first assumption, heat flows from higher temperature to lower temperature. So temperature at m is greater than temperature at n. എമ്മിലുള്ള ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ എന്നിലുള്ളതിനേക്കാളും കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ u of xt is greater than u of x plus delta xt. And here the difference is negative because this is a smaller quantity. This is greater. So this difference is negative. So this negative indicates for the dou u by dou x. So it is minus Ka dou u by dou x, and K is the constant called thermal conductivity. Okay. Next, assumption is quantity of heat is proportional to mass and temperature change with respect to time. So we need the mass. What is mass of an element m? Mass of the element mn is, mass is or density is mass per volume, or mass is density into volume. Density can be denoted by rho. Volume is area into length. അറിയാലോ, area A, length delta x, mn into length delta x. So quantity of heat is proportional to mass into temperature change with respect to time. So Q is proportional to rho A delta x into dou u by dou t. That is, proportionality can be written by is equal to sign. So Q is equal to S rho A delta x dou u by dou t, where S is the proportionality constant. It's the specific heat of the material. So let Q1 be the temperature change at m, Q2 that at n. So Q1 is minus Ka dou u by dou x at m, that is x. Q2 is minus Ka dou u by dou x at n, that is x plus delta x. നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി കണ്ടതാണ്. എമ്മിലുള്ള ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എക്സിൽ വരുന്ന ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ്, എന്നിൽ എക്സ് പ്ലസ് ഡെൽറ്റ എക്സ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിൽ വരുന്ന ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ്. സോ ദ ഡിഫറൻസ് ഓർ ദ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ, എം എന്നിലുള്ള ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഡിഫറൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും Q1 മൈനസ് Q2, rate of heat retained in m, that is minus Ka dou u by dou x at x minus plus Ka dou u by dou x at x plus delta x. or Ka കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാം, dou u by dou x at x plus delta x minus dou u by dou x at x. ഇനി ഈ കിട്ടിയ ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്പർ 3യും ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്പർ 2വും സെയിം തന്നെയാണ്, ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ തന്നെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ടുകൂടെ ഇക്വേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ വി ഗെറ്റ് എസ് റോ എ ഡെൽറ്റ എക്സ് ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ ടി ഈസ് കെ എ ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ് അറ്റ് എക്സ് പ്ലസ് ഡെൽറ്റ എക്സ് മൈനസ് ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ് അറ്റ് എക്സ്. ഇപ്പോൾ എ കട്ട് ചെയ്തു. സോ ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ ടി ഈസ് കെ ബൈ എസ് റോ ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ് അറ്റ് എക്സ് പ്ലസ് ഡെൽറ്റ എക്സ് മൈനസ് ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ് അറ്റ് എക്സ് ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ ഡെൽറ്റ എക്സ്. ഇത് അഗെയിൻ ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ എക്സിൻ്റെ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവിൻ്റെ ഡെഫിനിഷനാണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ഡോ സ്ക്വയർ യു ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ. So we can write dou u by dou t as c square dou square u by dou x square, where c square is k by s rho, or c is root of k by s rho. So this is the equation, one dimensional heat equation. Okay.